Once upon a time, there was a magical garden called Colourful. In this garden lived three special friends: red, blue, and yellow, the primary colors. They loved playing together, and one day they had an idea. Let's make new friends by mixing together, said Red excitedly. First, Red held hands with Yellow. Swish, swish. Suddenly a new color appeared. Hello, I am orange, said the bright and cheerful new friend. Wow, said Red and Yellow, we made orange. Next, Yellow held hands with Blue. Swish, swish. A soft new color popped up. Hi, there I am, green, said the gentle color. Yeah, cheer, Blue and Yellow, we made green. Then Blue held hands with Red. Swish, swish. A deep and royal color appeared. Nice to meet you. I am purple, said the fancy new friend. Amazing, said Red and Blue. We made purple. Wow. Now Colourful was full of colors. More three secondary colors: orange, green, and purple, all made by mixing the primary colors. Now there are two groups in the color wheel: primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, and secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. And they decided to make the world beautiful. All the colors danced, sang, and painted the world with the rainbows. Now all the gardens were full of colors. The flowers bloomed in every color, and the sky smiled down at them. And from that day on, the primary colors promised, whenever we mix together, we shall bring more beauty to the world. Working together creates something beautiful. Just like colors, we are better when we mix, share, and play together.